Alaikum. This is Abid and I'm a specialist in sports, and today I'll be sharing with you the case of post ACL reconstruction with lateral meniscal repair for 6 weeks rehabilitation program. I'll be showing you different types of interventions and the precautions to be taken and how to proceed further, what type of activities to be given and to be avoided, and we'll take also consent from the patient. وانا ابغى اشيل انت فيديو عشان في ينزل من نفر شفت عالم نفر ما مشكلة. Okay, خلاص. He has no problem and consent has been taken from him and he said no problem, I can just upload his videos. Thank you very much. This is isometrics to the chords. Yalla. Duf. Shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Important thing is about the extension. The knee is not extended correctly, so that's an issue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He'll do 10 times. 3 First week, ACL reconstruction surgery. First week, muscle stimulation over the quads. Do the flexion. Okay. So this is how we do the flexion. This is the 3rd week cycling. Third, or you can do in second also, this one. This is 2nd and 3rd week program, abduction, adduction. 4, stretching of hams and calf. Week 4th, and 1 kilo weight. Week 4th. Week 4, balance full weight bearing. Week 5 exercise. 5, this is the side walking. Week 5, tandem walking. 5, close kinematic sumo squatting. Week 5, strengthening exercise. Week 6. Week 6. Week 6. Week 6. Week 6, normal walking. Again. Yalla, go. Yalla, go. Now we'll do the 6 week flexion. This is the flexion of the 6 week. 6 week extension. This is the extension, week 6 extension, and we get a good extension at the end of this week. And now we'll start after this open kinetics. So we'll get the last extension, but it's full and extended.